attends the University of the West Indies right here in Jamaica, and he is also a rapper. For this week's Talent on the Rise segment, let's hear from Kalleem London.
Kalleem London, the coolest. I wanna. Kalleem London to me is an idea. When I go in the studio, I change, I tap out, I snap. But the real name is Rashim, right? But how the name Kalleem London came about was, it was a mixture between Rashim and California, sorry, right? So it was like, me and my friend was talking, he said, yo, we're gonna make a name. So it was like Rashim and California. So we made Kalleem. And I said, nah, I don't like that. So we took out the I, and it was Kalleem. Then I changed the C into a K and said, yo, K is a cooler letter. Professionally, I've been doing music professionally since I was 16. Yeah, I go to UWMONA, University of the West Indies, and I'm doing a bachelor's degree in literatures in English. Final year. Jamaicans don't accept Jamaican rappers, per se. Jamaicans, if you're from another country doing rap music, America, to be specific, Jamaicans take on to the music more. But I guess Jamaicans like rap music, just not Jamaican rappers. But to get the music to the people, I guess social media. So the tracks I'm known for are like Standout. You have Standout, you have Far Away, you have Say It Again Now, which is on the radio for me now. You have Skinny Pants. Groupies will never get me, you getting all my love. She got all the above. She shaking that like Miley. I really wanna beat it up like Ali. I love this chick, no probably. Yeah, I love this chick, really trying to get a grip. School kinda like hinders the progress, but it's not necessarily hard. It's not necessarily a struggle. It's more of trying to balance, and school with music is. I like the journey. I like the climb. Also, the latest single I have right now is Say It Again. Say It Again is like a rap hook type of thing, like a girl on the hook. Me on the 3 verses. It's on the radio right now. I have a video for it out. Girl, I meant what I said in the past. If it's fast, I'ma laugh. If it lasts, we're both meant for this path. Really trying to make this work. Not trying to get you to twerk. Trying to find me a lady. Coffee in my arms and nickname you baby.
Survived being shot 3 years ago, is now one of the hypest names in soca music. For our celebrity interview, let's hear from Star Akil.
I go build the vibes, raise the hype, make this party come to life. I'm a radio announcer, so I have that experience of being a DJ, doing a like TV as well, like you know. So that experience is there. So what I do is just bring a little to the stage.
What's your background in music? How did it begin for you? What's the background?
The background, well, my mom used to sing in the choir, and my dad is a panist now. So play pan, and you know, growing up, that music influence was always there. So it never strayed. It's just, I pursue. And you know, I say, this is where I want to be in the next couple of years. And that was my aim, and that was my goal. Where I came from, I experienced 3 years ago. I got shot 5 times, and now this come like my second chance in life now. So, I mean, God has actually opened a lot of doors for me, and I am not ungrateful for any of the doors. I accept all the blessings and the opportunity that He gave for me.
Would you say that this year has been the biggest year for you career-wise?
Yeah. Last year and this year. It exploded. Being consistent, bringing hits. And that is why I'm about to bring hits. This year was my first time I actually get into the finals of Soca Mona. I came second runner-up for the breakout artist of the month. So I missed the gym by just a little. Beanie Man, link up. I'm ready to do my track with Beanie Man. Beanie Man, link up. Sean Paul, link up. Popcorn, link up. Movado, link up. Right? Pree Dis, you go build the vibes. Raise the hype, make this party come to life. Pree Dis, we making noise, jamming and making noise. Hey, we jumping up on the island with Pree Dis. Jumping up on we island.
We cause it right now. We feel like a madman. Disturbing the nation. We making noise, jamming and making noise.
After this break, we take you behind the scenes of Denik's new video and we check out some food at Kingston Kitchens. We'll be right back.